Good morning. Welcome to Bolti Books with Anjali. Today's activity is picture composition. And in this, we will learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. So first, let's understand what do we mean by conjunctions and how to use them. A conjunction is a word used to join more words or sentences. They are also known as linking words or joining words. Examples are and, but, if, or otherwise. So we use conjunctions to join words or sentences. Look at this picture. It is a football. It has black color and it has white color. So we can say this football is black, this football is white. Now we will write the sentences joining the words black and white, and the meaning of the sentence will improve. The meaning will become clear. This is a black and white football. Now it is easier to understand what we want to say. So, using conjunctions not only join words and sentences becomes easier to understand. Here, the word and is the conjunction word, that is linking two words black and white. Now let's try to use conjunction and to describe the picture. Look at this picture carefully. Can you think of some of the words that we can use to describe this picture? We can use pair of words like green and beautiful to describe plants, bright and yellow to describe sun, happy and cheerful for the mood or the emotion of the children. Girls and boys are there in the picture. They are cleaning and planting. There are trees and bushes, and butterflies and bees are flying. So we will use the word and to join these words and make sentences. Make a sentence using green and beautiful. This is a green and beautiful garden. Bright and yellow. The sun is bright and yellow in the sky. Bushes and trees. There are bushes and trees in the garden. Butterflies and bees. Many butterflies and bees are flying in the garden. Girls and boys. Three girls and three boys are working in the garden, cleaning and planting. They are cleaning the garden and planting new saplings. Saplings are small baby plants. Happy and cheerful. The children are happy and cheerful. Let's read once again. This is a green and beautiful garden. The sun is bright and yellow in the sky. There are bushes and trees. Many butterflies and bees are flying in the garden. Three girls and three boys are working in the garden. They are cleaning the garden and planting new saplings. The children are happy and cheerful. This way, we can describe the picture using conjunction words to connect the words and sentences. Hope you like this video. More videos on English grammar. Links are given in the description. See you tomorrow with a new video. Take care and thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.